Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Afsisterwig, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig and how I make it come to life. This is the packaging that the wig comes in when you first get it. They sent me a blonde wig. Also, this wig comes with two wig caps. It comes with a black wig cap and it also comes with a tan wig cap. And it also comes with a strap that you can sew to the back of your wig to make it tighter if you want that. And it also comes with 4 clips that you can sew around the perimeter of your wig if you would like. Now, let me tell y'all the details about this hair. This hair is a 613 blonde wig. On the inside of the wig, it comes with clips around the back, and it also comes with a band that you can tighten, and it's mainly lace at the top of the wig. Now, this is a 613 blonde wig. It comes with a semi-custom hairline with baby hairs, and it doesn't have that fake look. Also, this wig is very dense. It's not very thick. And as you can see, these are the baby hairs before I do anything to the wig or before I cut the lace. And on this wig, you can part it any way you want at the top because it's all lace at the top. So you can have a side part, a middle part. You can do anything you want. This is a close-up of the hairline and the hair. This company comes with 2 cap options. They have either a lace front or you can get a full lace wig. And also, this is a human hair wig, y'all. This is blonde. You do not have to bleach the knots or anything like that because, of course, it's blonde. And I'm finna show y'all how I install this wig. Also, I'm gonna make a middle part on this hair. So I'm gonna pluck that, and then I'm gonna put the wig on. And all I did was use got-to-be glue to apply the front of it, the lace. Again, if you want to shop this hair company, Afsisterwig, make sure you check out all the links in the description. And if you try their hair, make sure you send me pictures because I really want to see what everyone looks like with this hair. As you can see, this is how the wig looks after I put it on. And y'all, this hair is so soft for it to be blonde hair. And it looks so natural. The baby hairs are so natural. I didn't cut the baby hairs at all, but if you would like, you can cut the baby hairs. But yes, y'all, this hair is so bomb. I love this hair. The best part about this hair is that it does not shed. Even as you can see, I straightened it a little bit. It's not shedding, and it is so soft. And it's not heavy. Like, it's so dense. It feels so natural on my head. It doesn't even feel like I have a wig on. I love this hair. Make sure you guys go shop with this company. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye.